G'day nerds, Luke here. Thank you for watching. Just quickly, before I get started with the title of the video, most of you will already know, but for those of you that don't, this isn't an Amazon sponsored or incentivized video. There is no paid bias or behind the scenes dealings and, sell this product and make a video of this product and say nice things about it and we'll give you commission for every unit sold. There is none of that going on in any of my videos that I unbox and do reviews for. Most of you will know, but some of you will probably wonder. I don't have enough subscribers for that to happen yet, but if Amazon watch this and are like, this guy's good at unboxing videos, let's send him some things, I would happily take some things, all the things, many things, and unbox them and share them with you, as long as I can use it. Don't send me shit that I don't use. PC part peripherals and such. So let's get started. I was looking up, I saw an advert for these Chinese massage pens, where you like, they're like acupuncture pens, and this was a couple of months ago. And recently my hamstrings from playing football when I was younger have been really bothering me. It's like a constant headache in the backs of my legs. So I looked up this massage pen and found this instead, this Renpho Live Healthy, Live Smart mini massage gun on Amazon. I was like, $79 with Amazon Prime, free shipping. It'll take a week to get here. I ordered it last Sunday night and it got here, today's Saturday in Australia. So it took a week, 5 days to get here, and it has not disappointed. Again, no paid bias. No, this isn't an Amazon sponsored video or anything like that. This thing works. So let me start with the unboxing for you. If you're someone that, if you're a chick that, wears high heels all day and you're walking around the office, or, if you're a dude that's in work boots all day and you get home and you got sore legs or whatever, this thing will just do wonders for you. It's instant relief the minute you turn it on, for whatever you do, whatever gender you are, whatever occupation or sport you play, this thing is freaking awesome. So it comes really well packaged, comes neatly packaged like this and protective, so it doesn't get broken in shipping. I highly recommend, this is the user manual, okay? I highly recommend everyone read this. So it says in here, you know what, you'll read it, but for those of you knuckleheads that don't, it says in here that it comes with about 10 to 15% battery life. You do not want to just, I just want to quickly see what it does. Just let me, just a little bit. All right, no, you'll ruin the battery life. You won't get as long a battery life out of it. And just read the user manual. So it takes about 3 to 4 hours. It took me about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge the thing. And when I first used it, it just, like I said, instant relief. It's absolutely amazing. So move that out the way. There's your USB cable. It says it's got instructions all in the user manual, but I'll just show you guys. So that's USB-C connector, and that's USB. So if you've got a PowerPoint adapter, which you can buy off Amazon, or if you've got a laptop or desktop, it'll just plug straight into there. This goes into the bottom of the machine like so, like that. And then you just put that into a laptop or a desktop USB connector and charge it for 3 to 4 hours. Once the charging is done, there'll be a green light on the back of the contraption that'll, show you that it's like, the green light's like, hey, this thing's finished charging. You pull out the cable, you press that for 1, 2, 3. It turns on. Actually, let's turn that off real quick. You grab your favorite attachment. This is mine. This is my favorite attachment. It comes with 4 different attachments, as you can see in there. This one's for bigger muscle groups. This one's for, like, arms and things like that. This one here, I don't know what this one's for, but it's my favorite. Like, so let me just show you guys here real quick. You just put it in there like that. Hold it for 3 seconds. It turns on. Put your leg up on the chair like this. And then the backs of your hamstrings. It's just instant relief. Like, you don't need to press hard and you don't need to like go fast, but you just the affected area, and it's instant relief. Like there's like all muscles and blood vessels and shit under there. Like, oh, what's he doing? We're waking up. Oh my god! It's crazy how good this thing is. I cannot recommend it enough. This will literally change your life. That may be an exaggeration, but you get what I'm saying. Right, so then if you don't find that, like that, you can see the blue light, right? That's the first setting, that's the slow setting. I like to use the second one. You just press the power button once, and you just quickly press it once, don't hold it down, otherwise you'll turn it off, and then you're up to the second speed. Dude, this might not be appropriate for YouTube. I can't even begin, I can't even begin to tell you. It's like, it's painful, but it's relief at the same time. Like you can just, Jesus fucking Christ, dude, holy shit. Excuse my language. Sorry about that. I'd like to try and keep my videos PG. And then, like, let's say you're a chick, right, and you're in high heels all day, and you get home and your calves are really sore. You just run that down the back. It's actually better to do it with your pants on or whatever, rather than against dry skin. So, I just wanted to show you like my sexy calves. So then you just, like, it just moves better along material, right? Like, and then so your Achilles tendon, right? Like, put it there, and then just go up the back like that. Oh shit. Oh, dude. And then you go like where, like this muscle here, right? Oh dude, that's crazy. Then you do like the inside of your calf. If you're lucky, I'm going to turn this off right now. Let me. If you're lucky enough to have a partner that, I'll show you some attachments. But if you're lucky enough to have a partner, like you can literally lay down on a couch or whatever, or a massage bed if you have one of them, and this thing will just do your whole body, and you don't even really need to put pressure on it or anything like that. I don't think it's a substitute for a deep tissue massage therapist. I think that I just don't think it's a substitute for one of them, but it definitely works wonders for temporary relieving aches and pains. And then you've got like different attachments that just go in like that. That's for like your hand. You do like your hand, and then you do like your attachments. They just 1, 2, 3. Let's go 1, 2. So that's on the third setting. Yeah, you can really feel that. Like it works. Trust me. Never trust someone that says trust me, but trust me when I say this thing, if you've got aches and pains, muscle aches and pains, this thing will change your life. Like it's literally, it's just instant relief the minute you start applying it to the affected areas. Demonstration, unboxing, brief review, think it's freaking awesome. You should get it. Definitely worth the $79 Australian dollars that I paid for. It might be less in your country. I don't know where you're from, where you're watching this from. But make sure you read the user manual. There's some really informative and helpful stuff in there. And then it's back in the box. So check it out, Amazon.com. Just type in, you know, like mini massage gun or the, you know, Renpho massage gun or something like that. And you know, in your review, in your Amazon review, just type, I watched Luke's YouTube video and got this, and it's freaking awesome. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.